Alright, so what I have here is a Diablo Steel Demon blade. It's a 7 1/4 with a 5/8 arbor. What I'm going to be cutting with it is a piece of 1/8 bar stock. I'm pretty sure this is cold rolled. Actually, forget that I said that. I don't know if it's cold rolled or not. And I'll probably even cut some 2-inch angle iron. I have it all clamped in place. Have this clamped to the table real tight. Got my new face shield and gloves. There's the cut. Okay, so this is what the quality of the cut looks like. The two arrows, this used to be together. And you probably can't even tell really. Maybe right there. I put a white background to make it easier to see through, but there's probably a 5/1000 or 10, or like just enough to, like a paper width right there. Yeah, it's something like it's basically almost like a paper thickness right there. And most likely that happened because whenever you start cutting and it starts to hit the guard to pick it up, usually that causes you to pause and wiggle or something. That's probably what happened. Other than that, the cut is really, really nice. It honestly looks like a machined edge. So you can see something going on. It's pretty smooth all right here. Then right here you could kind of see like some extra markings on it or something. Now let's compare this side to this side. I mean, you see that even spread open, that's probably it's probably a 32nd of an inch or something. But if you were to just take a little out the middle, you could probably get that to sit pretty flat because it's kind of pivoting right here. Yeah, it has like a pivot point. Anyway, it's in my opinion, it's way better than using an angle grinder with the cutoff wheel. That's for sure. I think this is one of the more important things is how well it fits for a fillet well. And I think you can see a little bit of light through it right there. But I think it's good enough. Here goes some 2-inch, 2x2, 1/8 inch thick. There goes my cut. See, that's such a tight gap, you can weld that like no problem. That's nice. And whenever you cut it, it literally feels like you're cutting a 2x4. It's actually a little bit creepy because whenever you're cutting, you can't even feel it. It feels like, I don't know, it feels weird. But I don't know, I'm pretty excited about having that blade now because I feel like it's really going to open up my capabilities, because if you can't cut stuff, you can't build stuff. And you know, if you make ugly cuts, you're always going to compromise how good your fit up is, and it's going to compromise your weld quality, stuff like that. And it's just frustrating. So that's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to demonstrate that new blade. I wanted to try it out.